Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to trade on Binance US. First, you will need to set up your account. Begin by registering with your email and creating a strong, unique password. Next, complete the identity verification process, which typically involves submitting a government-issued ID and proof of address. Finally, for robust security, enable two-factor authentication using an authenticator app or SMS. These initial steps are crucial for a secure trading experience. Once your account is secure, it's time to fund it. You have several options to deposit US dollars, including ACH transfers, wire transfers, or using a debit card. Alternatively, you can transfer supported cryptocurrencies directly from an external wallet. Remember, linking your bank account beforehand will make fiat deposits and withdrawals much smoother. Always double-check the deposit addresses for crypto transfers to avoid any loss of funds. Now for the exciting part, placing a trade. Head over to the trading interface and select the cryptocurrency pair you wish to trade, such as Bitcoin versus US dollar. You can choose from different order types: a market order for immediate execution, a limit order to set a specific price, or a stop limit order for more advanced strategies. Enter the amount you want to buy or sell, review your order, and then confirm it. After placing trades, effective portfolio management is key. Regularly monitor your open orders and review your trade history to stay informed about your investments. When you're ready to take profits or rebalance, you can easily withdraw funds or cryptocurrencies to your linked bank accounts or external wallets. Binance US also offers various tools to help you track your portfolio's performance and make informed decisions. Happy trading!
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.